Your oven becomes an indoor barbecue with our rotisserie spit. The meat is cooked until perfectly crisp and golden brown on all sides, making it really eye-catching. You can conveniently grill not only meat but also vegetables and exotic fruit indoors at any time of the year and get that barbecue feeling. Decisions. What do you want to grill on the spit? First, attach one of the clamps to the spit. You can now push the ingredients onto the spit and fix them in place with a second clamp. Get some inspiration and try out new combinations. Why not try a spicy chicken shawarma or some vegetables? Or how about nicely roasted pineapple? The taste of holidays. Next, put the rotisserie spit in the oven. To do so, place the spit on the frame on level 3 and slide this back to the rear wall of the cooking space. Then insert the end of the spit into the opening of the drive. Make sure that the positioning groove rests on the frame. It's best to use the food probe to achieve the perfect level of cooking. This monitors the temperature of the meat during the cooking process, so you can cook at a specific temperature and achieve a perfect result. There are various applications to choose from. The soft roasting with grill function is available for certain pieces of meat, allowing you to set your desired core temperature and have it ready at the time you want it. The other alternative is to use the grill function. Simply choose the grill intensity level and set the operating time. The spit will begin to turn and the food will begin to roast. Whether with delicious grilled vegetables, oriental specialities, crispy chicken, or a caramelized pineapple for those who like a taste of the exotic. Surprise your guests with unique grilled specialities from your oven.